Hello traders, in today's live trading session video, we're going to be taking a look at why are we taking this position on the euro yen on the daily time frame. This is going to be based on the 50% open equity strategy. We're going to be talking about this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thiru Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets, Trades Conference and Traders Open Day. So here we are traders in terms of Euro Yen over here, which we're looking at the 50% open equity strategy based on this confirmation dot over here. Now, we have selected this trade to enter at this particular point of 138.46 over here, as you can see, stop loss being for the high of the bar and the target being on the 50% open equity point. Okay, so now let me bring up this trading view platform over here. Let me change this to Euro Yen for you guys, and we can take a look at it together and we can see how that trade is looking at in terms of its open equity points. So you can see over here that in terms of 50% of the time, in terms of Euro Yen, let me see if we can get more. I think we can't really get that much data, but in fact, we are seeing that it's about 275 pips that it travels to from the point that it actually confirms, right? This is what this table is all about on the open equity table. We'll be publishing some more videos on this, on the tree stats as well. So keep an eye out for that. They'll explain to you more about what we've designed here in terms of the smart money indicator, which actually the first main step is to quantify tops and bottoms, okay?
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Based on this, traders, what we are having is we will either select the target for the 50%, which is about 250, it is showing over here, or 275, which is about the same percentage. And then we're going to be taking a look at in terms of where to place our stop loss. So after that point, based on that, we take our target, which is what we have placed here, 136.66. This is based on ATR as well, because over here, traders, if you can take a look, we can also do this on ATR as well. Okay, so if I do this on ATR, then of course, then I make this to, I change the column table to 0.25. And I can do this to 0.25 as well. And once I've done that, then I can take a look at it. Now it tells me in terms of ATR, right? So it at least gets to, you can see, 2 ATR 50% of the time. The only issue with this is with this broker, we're only getting a very small data sample. But we have done this with a larger data sample. And we have found that basically that in terms of the distance it travels is usually 100 pips or 1 ATR, whichever is bigger. So that's what we have used over here to get our target, which is 136.66. And that is what we have put over here as well, traders. Okay, so that's what we have done over here. Now, in terms of in this strategy, you may think, okay, shall we, Thiru, should we select all the dots and put it to the 50% open equity distance? No. The reason for that, traders, is because 50% open equity means the distance that 50% of runners get to, 50% of trades get to. So therefore, not all dots will get there. So what we have to do, we have to select the dots. Okay, we have to select the dots. You see, for example, on a diagrammatic perspective, if you see over here, let me just change the setting back to pip over here. And let me remove the decimal point here. Right, and let's see. So you can see on a diagrammatic perspective here, So if you take a look, traders, you can see that this one here is, this move has gone 334, isn't it? But this move over here, this numbers signal to the previous move. So for this move, top to bottom move, it's only moved 28 pips. You see, after the dot, it just moved only a little bit before it turned around. So not all of them will get to 100 pips. So you see, for example, even this, you see it turns around after a little bit of traveling, 66 pips over here. Okay, so that's what we mean by the distance that 50% of runners get to. So we have to select the dots. You don't take every single trade. We select the dots that will get to our 50% open equity distance.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So in terms of that, what have we done over here? Why have we selected this? If you take a look over here, and not all the time every signal is going to be very strong. So we've got to think in terms of probabilities. Over here, what you can see on the weekly time frame, because we quantify the tops and bottoms, consistently we can see the trend as well at the moment. The trend on the euro yen is uptrend. So, however, see, an uptrend is based on cyclical movements, right? Reference higher highs and higher lows. Now, however, this particular move at the moment is what we call a top to bottom move. So in other words, in relation to an uptrend, it's a phase 2 move. We cover all of this in Traders Basecamp package as well, and which is what we clear all these misconceptions, okay, out there. So you can see, traders, that this is a phase 2 move in an uptrend. So the thing is, even though you may be riding it for 100 pips or 180 on a 50% open equity strategy, but you never know at which point is this going to turn, right? And then go in line with its momentum. So in terms of that, just got to be a little bit careful so that we do not take it in such a way that it's going to go against us without getting to an open equity point. So in instances like that, you can actually reduce your risk rather than taking a full 1%. If you're not sure, if you're unclear on when it's going to be turning, then you can take it at a lower risk because it's not your typical strong momentum move in line with the trend. Okay, and then you can test and see and check. Then you can modify your rules from then on. So that's why we do a simple thing of time frame correlation in terms of trends to select the dots towards our 50% open equity distance. So this is what we have done over here, and the order is now resting, and then once it gets to that level, then it will start to trigger. Okay, all right, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. Hopefully it gives you a very clear idea on how we are selecting the trades and putting the trades forward towards their targets. Okay, right. I guess other than that, yeah, two things. One is, if you want to understand the concepts of this, refer to the Trader Starter Pack video series, 5-day video series, really, really powerful. It's for free as well. The other thing is, if you do want to get in touch with us in terms of the indicator, which a lot of traders are really interested in, we're having a high demand on it, you can definitely get in contact with us at client service at masterthemarkets.net, and we can help you get this indicator onto your screens as well. Okay, all right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this live trading session video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.